guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing these, what are they called? LOL Surprise Minis. And I have another one. They also have these real weird, like, numbers on them. If anyone could tell me on one of my other videos, because you can't comment on these ones, I don't like that, YouTube. Like, please fix it. Anyways, so it has the number 6 on this one, which I don't know what these are for, and 13 on this one. I'll rip them off because, like, maybe they're good luck or for something, so I'll take them off and then, like, put them somewhere else so we can remember them. Okay, 1 will go here, and then 6, maybe I have to, like, collect them, I guess? I don't know, because, like, I've never seen these on LOL dolls, just, like, not LOL dolls. LOL, like, surprises or the unboxing things. Like, I've never seen it, that you have to, like, you get, like, a number. I don't know if just because I haven't really bought many of these anymore, or I haven't really bought any anymore, but, it's weird. So, anyways, we just ripped them off, and, now we're gonna open them. I think I might do this one first. So, also, I have my skateboard, so, yeah. Oh. Yeah, that one rolled away. I don't think it wants to be open first. So, we'll just, oh my gosh, move skateboard. We'll open this one first. So, let's just find the little terry thing. Here it is. And now, now, let's tear it. I don't think that's how you tear one of these open. I haven't opened these in a while. So, don't make fun of how I open them. Okay, yeah, 13 is really, like, running away. That is fine. We don't need you, 13. Now, okay, we got the first one off, which now that means we have to take the second layer off. And this second layer is really pretty, not gonna lie. It's very cutesy. Okay, let's rip it open. This is the second layer, by the way. Oh, that was nice. Okay. So, this is now, I guess, kind of the third layer, because, like, you have to, like, open it and stuff like that, but you don't have to take. So, let's crack it like an egg. Woo! Okay, we don't really need these anymore, but we'll just move it over there. So then, like, we can have it to put the things in. Now, what is this? It's like a little game, I guess, board? Oh, it's a TV, I guess, I think. I don't know. It looks cool. It's like a space thing. We don't need it, though. We don't care about the instructions. What is this? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. And then I guess those stickers. So, yeah. And what is this? Oh, that's the things you can get. Anyways, so we also got this keychain. I don't know what to do with the keychain. I haven't opened these. Okay, now we're gonna start ripping. Oh, ow. So, I also put the chain, like, on this. I think that's where you're supposed to put it. Now we're gonna take whatever is inside of here out. Hello? Okay. You guys get a sneak peek first because, I don't know. Do you guys see it? You guys see it? Yeah, okay. Oh, it's a little sticker! So it's a little tiny little fluffy cat. Like, it's actually fluffy. The only thing bad about it is that it has, like, a little bit of pink on it. Like, a little stain of pink. But that is totally fine. And then, oh, it's so cute! It's, like, supposed to be laying down. Maybe, no, I think, yeah, it's supposed to be laying down. Because, like, right here is like that. So, yeah, it's definitely supposed to be laying down. And it's adorable! Let's put it on my skateboard. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open these little bags. They look adorable. Oh, it's a bed. Okay, so that's a bed. Now let's open this. Now this feels like a chair. So, oh, it's a wall. Okay, wait, what? Oh, okay. So, I think you're supposed to build out of it with this. I don't understand it at all, but, I think you're supposed to build with this. So, you're supposed to, like, I guess, get a lot, or they want you to buy a lot of these. And then, like, they want you to build a house with it. So, they just want to get money. But you know, who cares? I guess everybody wants money. Now let's get the other one. Number 13. We'll move the 6 over with these things, and we'll make it so that you guys can see the cat when the camera goes over here. Here. Now let's open this. So let's find the little Terry part. Okay. I have a friend named Carrie. Oh. Yeah. Carrie rhymes with Terry. That's why I said that. But yeah. Okay, we got the first one down. Now we can open this one. Oh, that's a ow! That hurt. Okay. That really hurt my finger. But you know, it's fine, you know, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Anyways, let's now open it. So just like an egg, why are there many things? There's like super many things. Okay, I know what cat we're gonna get. Okay, let's look at these now. At least it's not the same exact one. Okay, this is actually cuter than the other one. I actually flinged the other one, so we're not getting that back. So, oh, and here's the little house. So this is the other one that we got, and this is the one that we just got. That's cool. That's cool. This time I won't fling it, guys. Let's open the decorations first now, because we opened the pet first out there. This is, I thought this was, okay, yeah, this is the build now. So, wait, I don't understand how to put this down. Okay, whatever. It's fine. So, it has like a little chimney. Okay, so, we're gonna open these tiny little ones. It doesn't look like there's anything in it, but when you feel it, there is definitely something in it. Oh. Okay, so... Oh, it's like a little cupcake. Okay, that's really cute. I wonder what that another one is now. It's probably another cupcake. Or like a cookie. I actually didn't feel this one. Oh, it's like this is like the plate for the cookie. Maybe not. Anyway. Oh, it's the table. I was wondering why. What type of table is this? Oh, it's perfect. Anyways, now this one, and then we'll open the cat. Ta-da! Oh wait, no, this is the table. Wait, what? I guess you like what? Anyways, we have a big table, a small table, and a cupcake. Moving on, we get to table. Oh, this one's so cute. Okay, so it's like a grayish black little cat. The other one's like oranges or orange tan, but this one is so cute. I like how the ears just match it so much. And it's standing now. It's because my room isn't like made very straight that I can't really like stand. But it's fine. Maybe we can use. Yeah, no, this animal won't stand. Anyways, it's very cute, and I really like this one. Now comment down below which one you like more. I like this one more. But I do like this one's position more. Because, like, I don't know. It's just a cuter position. But this one's like a shy little cat. Okay, I realized it was a stand. It was a stand, not a table! But now he can sit on the table on his little stand. And he can actually, like, stand up by himself. And I guess he could have his, like, little cup and, like, eat that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Now time to go edit my video. Where's my computer? Yeah, I guess I'll just worry about it later. Oh, never mind. It's right here. I can move my book. Connect them to each other. Time to edit. I'm hungry. I'll do it later. Oops. Sorry, buddy.